So Eric, the broski, Eric had a little bit of hip pain. Where's your pain at?
On the side.
Come more on the side. So right above his kind of hip bone here. So you can think about some of the muscles, glute med, glute min. So the main thing I want to reiterate, not to get tunnel vision. So just because this is the area that hurts, you want to make sure you work the whole hip, the front, the back, the side, even the inside of the hip. All that's important to work. So the first thing we're going to do is going to hit the area directly. So I'm going to have Eric lay down, and we're going to work on a couple just stretches. So lay on your back for me. So the piriformis muscle kind of runs kind of the butt cheek area towards the right side and the back. So first thing we'll do is we'll do a figure 4 position. And then Eric's going to grab underneath this thigh. Yep, try to keep that leg nice and relaxed. And as he brings in, he's going to feel a stretch in his buttock area, okay? Some of those muscles are directed in that vicinity. So do you feel a stretch on the right side? Mm-hmm. Okay. So he's going to hold 5 times 15 seconds or 3 times for 30, whatever's comfortable to him. You can relax your head. You don't have to keep your head up. You kind of relax your head. His legs are too short. So there, if this bothers your knee, grab under the thigh. It's just less compression on the knee. So that's one. The next one we're going to do, we can do the piriformis again, but we'll just modify a little different angle, so we'll come back down. And now what we're going to do is we're going to pull the knee kind of towards the opposite shoulder or hip area. So we're kind of gently going to pull that way, keeping your back flat, not letting your hips rotate or anything, just bringing it back. You feel stretch in your buttock? Okay, yeah. So that's two. So that's 2 piriformis stretches. We're hitting the area around there. So then you have QL muscles kind of run along that side as well. So we're going to transition straight to that. So just like that, where the knee's bent, we're going to take this left leg, put it on the outside of the knee, and Eric's going to try to keep his back flat and gently let his legs fall to the sides and get a stretch all along in here, maybe a little on the side. Do you feel a little bit of stretch on the side? Is that getting that area at all? Not quite? Just around that area, right? Okay. So we'll do that one 3 to 5 times, 15 to 30 seconds, whatever you feel. Just breathe with it, be comfortable. Okay? Good job. Now, so also make sure to hit the hamstring muscles. So hitting the hamstring, you can do your one where you're just sitting up, legs straight, this way. Back straight, just bend at your waist. Good. You can even bring your right shoulder forward, get more on the inside. Feel more on the inside of the hamstring at all? Yeah. Yep, so if you rotate, it's a little modification. Then come back and you can do your left shoulder forward. And you'll feel more on the outside of the hamstring. Okay? So, now, let's hit the outside there. So let's stand up. This is kind of an IT band stretch. You also have the TFL muscle, which we didn't really talk about, but that muscle also runs along the side and turns to the IT band attached on the outside of the shin bone here. So what we'll do is, since it's the right side, we're going to take our left leg over the right. And what you want to do is you're going to come down and to the left. So down and to the left, and see if you get a little stretch with that. Do you feel a stretch at all here? Yeah. A little bit? Mm-hmm. Okay. So you feel kind of along in here, maybe in the hamstring a little bit. Yep. Okay. Good. All right. Then the next thing we'll do is to the wall, left leg over the right. We're going to bring our hip this way. Okay. You can use your elbow or your hand against the wall. So left leg over right. Then stay tall and just drive your hip this way. You're going to do a little stretch all along there on that T-band. Feel stretch? Mm-hmm. Is it getting that area a little bit? Or not quite?
Not quite.
Okay. Is it getting more out here?
Yeah.
Okay, you need it more in the back, right?
Right in the side of the hip.
Right in the side. Mm-hmm. So you're not getting it there when you're doing that one. Which one do you feel it most on?
Crossing my legs and pulling forward.
Okay, so let's piriformis a little bit. Let's try this little pigeon one. This is one that might be able to get more specific. See if you can get in this little...
I feel it on that.
Like an S, almost like an S mount position. So I think we might have trouble with S mount. So let's get here first, and let's get this way. So get in that little S mount position if you can. So you can get on here for me. So get that S mount, get nice and straight. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go kind of right in the middle of our shin. So where our shin bone is, we're gonna go right in the middle. We're gonna go right down that way. You might feel it there already. Do you feel along that area?
Starting to.
Okay. So you get a good stretch there. Then you're gonna hit some different angles. So what you're gonna do next, you're gonna come up. We're gonna go towards that knee. Feel that?
Yes.
Okay. So we're hitting the piriformis muscle. So it might be a little bit of piriformis muscle there. I think it's some IT band. Could be a couple of different areas. The other ones, we're gonna go kind of towards the foot or towards this knee. You're gonna turn your body that way. You're gonna gently go down that. It's gonna be a little different. It's kind of a tough one. Just bring your body forward. Okay. So those are like I like that sequence a lot because you can get different angles. If you like it better than that piriformis, that sitting back and doing that way. Okay. So those are some things. Really, the side stretch, the one to the side, is a really good one. If you have somebody at home that can help you, what you would do is lay on your back. You would just relax, cross this leg over, and then bring it out to the side. See if you feel a stretch in there. You feel any stretch at all there? No? Your hip's coming up. Let me come right here. Feel a little bit. So his hips want to come up. What you want to do is make sure to keep the hip down. So it's more like an IT band stretch, TFL. Okay? Arms are shaking, tired. So you feel along in there a little bit? Okay. Obviously foam rolling the area is good. Using the lacrosse ball for just trigger point, like myofascial release, just putting it in that area and just holding for 3 to 5 minutes to comfort on your knees. So we're gonna do your lunge stretch this way. So you do all these, not just there. So just kind of lunging forward. You feel in the front?
In the hip.
In the hip, good. Because you need to get all those areas. All that needs to be. You can even bias it going to the left or to the right. Okay.